Hey friends, welcome to Dada's Kitchen. Hope you guys are doing great during this lockdown, and I hope the vaccine for the COVID-19 comes soon. That's what I can say. Anyways, today I have come up with another mouth-tempting recipe called fish curry. It's also known as fish curry in India and fish masala for some. So friends, today I've come up with this simple fish recipe which is made in two variants. I would be making a fish fry masala in the first stage and a fish curry masala in the second stage, which is very easy and can be made in one go without having to do anything extra. So friends, let's get started. For the ingredients, we will need some shred coconut, some mustard seeds, some cumin seeds, some coriander seeds, some dry red chili as per your taste bud, some black pepper, some cloves, garlic and ginger, chili powder, some turmeric powder, and we will grind them into a fine paste. This recipe can be cooked in two ways with a slight tweak. And yes, I have come up with these two versions of the same recipe, especially when you have limited time and everybody in your family has different taste buds. For example, my house, my wife likes the masala fry variant and I like the masala curry variant. So I thought, why not come up with something which is unique, which saves time and meets all our expectations in one go. After grinding this fine paste masala will act as a base for both, for frying the fish in the first stage and for making the fish curry masala in the second stage. Now that we have all the ingredients, let's grind them. Now that your fine paste is ready, add some salt, some red chili powder and turmeric powder. You may also add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil and your fine masala paste is ready. To marinate, take any fresh fish of your choice. I have taken songfish as available in the supermarket. And let's marinate this for the next 15 minutes. You may marinate the fish for a longer time, as it's known that if you keep the fish for a longer time, you get a strong flavor and your fish really comes out nice. Now that my fish has been marinating for 15 minutes, it's time to fry the fish. Please cook each side for 5 to 7 minutes in a medium flame so that you have total 15 minutes to cook this. add some curry leaves as it gives a strong flavor to your fish. Garnish it with some mint leaves and coriander leaves, and your fish fry masala is ready to be served. Quickly move to the next fish masala curry variant, which is again a repeat of fish fry masala with a slight twist. Now use the leftover oil and fry the balance leftover fish and the marinated masala for the next 10 minutes. Now that your fish is fried, the twist is that we will add some coconut milk and cook it for the next 10 minutes in a low flame. This is a slight variant that I have done, and your fish curry masala is ready. add some mint leaves and some garam masala to your gravy. We hope you liked our video today, and please help us to subscribe and leave your comments about what you liked or anything that you learned from our video today. We work really hard to come up with these simple and tempting recipes can be cooked by anybody in the family, especially the dads. I love cooking as it gives me great pleasure to see my kids enjoying the delicacies, and it also helps me to remove all my stress. Cooking is my passion and I love it. So friends, please help us, please subscribe to our video, and also please visit our YouTube channel for more recipes that we have uploaded over the weeks and months. We look forward to your comments, and we thank you all for all your love, support and all your well wishes over the months. We thank you once again, and please feel free to subscribe once again. Love you friends, take care and be safe and healthy.